Alright guys, so I was having some problems with my blower motor. It was not coming on at all on any speed. It was not turning on. It actually kept on blowing my control panel fuse. Every time I turned it up to the highest speed, it would blow the fuse. So I took the blower motor out because I was like, forget it. If I gotta replace it, I gotta take it out anyway. So I took it out, and I noticed that this thing was like stuck. This wasn't turning. See, I was like turning a little freely like this. It wasn't turning. So I just like took it apart, sprayed some WD-40 all down in this middle part. Took the back cover off right here and sprayed some WD-40 back up in there. Like I like saturate this thing with WD-40, and then kept on spinning it to loosen it up to let the WD-40 work down in the grooves. Let it sit for like a few hours, hooked it back up, and let's see, everything works now, man. That's how you fix your blower motor. Alright, here's the blower motor. On mine, you got these tabs right here and over here and on the other side. You just take those tabs, pop them out, and the whole thing comes off like this. And all mine is all rusty and like stiff. It was not turning at all. I mean, not at all. So I just decided to do a little repair before I bought a new one. Sprayed it with some WD-40 inside, on both sides. I sprayed a lot of WD-40 too, just letting you know. And just let it sit for a little while, and that was it.
Everybody come a phone now. I know that you ain't by. When you got smoke, you pull your phone now. Better use your brains. You fuck around and get them blown now. Bitch, I'm tired. Forgive me if I saw you. When you got your heart in the streets, yeah. I make them throw away shit on your ass. You better call the police. And I just been listening to stop me. It started with me.